Good morning, everyone. How you doing? What's up, Jackie? How are you?
Doing awesome. How are you, boss?
Oh, I'm doing good. It's bright and early, getting the day started off great. But Jackie and everybody that's watching this, I had to make this video. I was gonna wait, but I got to do it right now because I think it's absolutely incredible. A lot of you guys might know what I'm gonna talk about. I just found out, so that's why I'm so excited to chat about it. But guys, today I'm gonna be talking about how artificial intelligence (AI) will change the way people learn how to wholesale real estate forever. Okay, and AI is actually gonna change the way that people learn about anything forever. And by the end of this video, you guys are all going to know how to use chat AI to get into wholesaling. My goal, Jackie, as you know, because we work together, is to help everyone get into real estate, help everyone do deals. Some people might like not want to talk about this information that's out there because it might put their coaching or their mentorships in danger. But I actually think this is a great thing. I think this is a thing that's going to help a lot of people succeed, and we can help people implement the information that they're going to go get on this site. So stay tuned, everybody. I'm going to tell you exactly what is wholesaling using artificial intelligence, how to get your first deal using artificial intelligence, why getting this information now is easier than ever, and how I'm going to use my virtual assistant Jackie right here to help put this information out there so we can get you guys more help getting deals, and how I'm going to use this information that you can all get for free to help you guys out in my mentorship. Because the thing is, information is amazing. We need information to learn and grow, but the thing is, implementing the information is the hard part, and that's what we do in our mentorship. That's what we do in our club. If you're a doctor and you're a brain surgeon and you tell someone exactly how to do it, they might not know how to do it still, even if they have the instructions and the information. They still need to practice, they need to implement it, they need to role play. I meant practice is the word, but that's kind of what we do. Is information is abundant. Artificial intelligence just made it way easier to get. We're here to help you implement it and practice it. So check this out, everybody. In the link in the description below, I just put the link so you guys can all go sign up for Chat Open AI. Okay, it's free to sign up right now, so you better go do it before they start charging to check it out. So you can sign up. So I put the link right there. So go ahead and sign up for Chat Open AI. And this is the first thing. I can tell you guys what wholesaling is, but let's see if the AI can tell us. What is wholesaling real estate? It says wholesaling real estate refers to the process of finding a distressed or discounted property, arranging to purchase it, then quickly reselling it to another buyer at a higher price. The wholesaler does not actually buy the property themselves, but rather acts as a middleman between the seller and the ultimate buyer. The goal of wholesaling is to make a profit by buying the property at a lower price than what it is sold for, taking a portion of the difference of the fee. As you can see, it's just giving us the exact answer. So my next question is, how do I start wholesaling? If you're brand new and you're like, well, I don't know what to do, you can ask me, or you can ask this. If you're interested in starting a career wholesaling, here are some of the steps. Educate yourself. Well, that's what you can do to Open AI. You can go to me, you can watch my videos, you can read books. Build your network. That's exactly what I teach you guys. Build your network first. Go talk to your buyers first. It says find a mentor. Well, that's great. Find someone that can help you through that. Create a business plan. Secure financing, not so much, because of the fact that you don't really need money. Find a distressed property. Now, the AI is not going to be perfect, but it's going to do a pretty dang good job at letting you know what to do. You find a distressed property, negotiate terms, sign the contract. Remember, wholesaling in real estate is a business. It requires hard work. The next question I might have is, how do I find a cash buyer to wholesale my deal to? So there you go. There are several ways you can find a cash buyer. So this is great. Isn't this amazing, Jackie? You can go find the information to your questions immediately. But the thing is, obviously, just because you can read it doesn't mean you probably know how to do it that well, but the information is readily available. What do you think, Jackie?
Amazing, boss. I mean,
Unreal,
re-
right?
yeah, unreal because it sleeves out everything that you need to know.
Check this out. Anything else? You can even be like, hey, is there anything else that I missed? Well, here's some more tips. Offer unique or attractive property, set realistic expectations. It's just going to keep going, and it's amazing what it can do. You can ask it anything, right? And obviously you got to check and see if the information is works. Now, what I've done before I knew about open AI is I created a mind map, which is still amazing because you can go and get all the resources you need, the contracts, the outline. This is what I did. I made a mind map. So the thing is, you can go and ask any question you want, but on my mind map, I actually give you the steps on what questions you should ask. So for example, pick your market. You could go to OpenAI and you could start a new chat and you could say, what is the best market to wholesale real estate right now? You can see that right now. I told you in my mind map, that's the first step. You need to pick a market. Let's see what OpenAI says. It's not appropriate for me to make specific recommendations about real estate as I'm a language module. Oh wow. Okay. So it's not gonna give me some. Well, we'll see. In general, it can be helpful to research real estate markets in areas that have strong jobs. So let's see maybe best markets to flip a property. Because if it's a good area to flip, it's a good area to wholesale. But this also might not give information that like it doesn't want to put you in jeopardy. So I guess it's giving you, Jackie, ideas on how to research the best markets instead of just telling you which one it is. So that's good information, right?
It's better than, really giving out the specific area to go to, right?
Yeah, it's amazing. So, Jackie, unreal that someone can go here and get the information. But, like, as I was saying, just because you have the information doesn't always mean you know how to implement it. Like, you know the best way to use it, correct?
Absolutely, boss.
So, let's say, how do I find a motivated seller in real estate? So here are a few tips. Just look for distressed properties, utilize online resources, network with others. Great. So again, great source of information that all of you can use, which is absolutely amazing. But before I go on to my next point, I want to let you guys know that all the information that you're going to get from OpenAI is pulling from data sources. And this free mind map that I give you gives you all the secrets to wholesaling the right way. It shows you step by step and it has all the resources you need from contracts to, let's just go over here to finding cash buyers. If you want to find cash buyers, if you click here, it's going to give you a hedge funds buyers list, private money lenders to use. So OpenAI can answer questions, but if you go to the mind map, it's going to have those questions strategically set up for you guys from steps 1 through 10 to get your next deal. And I have all this stuff available for you. So Jackie, you could say I'm to a certain extent like an AI, except I don't answer all your questions immediately like here, but at least it's the information is organized, which is pretty cool.
That's true. And it's readily available for them for free.
And the thing is, Jackie, if someone goes to my mind map and is like, I want to learn how to get flippers, call investor friendly title companies. Maybe you could go to OpenAI and be like, how do I ask a title company cash buyers? Let's see what it says. You may be able to find potentials through a title company, research title companies in your area. Look at that. That's amazing, right? Contact the title company. Reach out to the title company, explain that you are looking for cash buyers for your real estate deal. Be sure to provide a brief summary of types of properties you're interested in purchasing. Request a list of cash buyers. Follow up. Oh my gosh. Amazing, right?
Wow.
Wow, unreal. So guys, go check out my mind map. That's absolutely free. If you have additional questions, ask the API. You can go and ask me. Obviously, I'll be here to answer. But I think the benefit of working with a mentor is this might be correct information, it might not. But being able to go and ask somebody that is doing it and knows is invaluable. But the cool thing about the mentorship and program that we have, Jackie, is that we have a Discord program that we actually implement. We show you this information, how to use it on calls that we do every week, every day, actually. So starting next week, if you guys look at our calendar, we have calls every day. So you could go ask your questions to the AI, ask it to us. You could come in and implement the information that you learn, and we'll show you how to do it. So again, knowledge is important, but learning how to use it is even more important. Having these resources and tools is amazing. And instead of going to Google and typing in, how do I start wholesaling real estate? Google is going to give you a bunch of websites that you have to go through. You got to pick one. OpenAI will just give you the answer so you don't have to search. So that is why it's so powerful, is it saves you time instead of having to go through websites. I believe that this will dominate the information space for people to ask questions, but for people that need to implement it, they're going to need obviously to get a mentor, a coaching program. They're going to need someone to show them how to use it unless they can just figure this all out on their own. But it's pretty dang amazing. So for example, look how awesome this AI is. We can go here, write me a 500 word blog on how to find cash buyers. Let's see if it can do this. Wow. Look at that. It's writing us a blog on how to find cash buyers. And guess what we can do, Jackie? We can put this on our website for content for SEO purposes that will rank our website even higher and help people find this information. Because again, not everyone's going to know about this site, but we can, Jackie, anytime you have to write a social media post, you can use this. Like, for example, if we have write me a
Right,
social
boss.
media post on how to wholesale real estate with a good call to action. Let's see if it does it. Are you looking to get into real estate investing but don't know where to start? One option you might consider is wholesale real estate. In a nutshell, wholesale. So how do you get? Look at this, Jackie.
Unreal.
Let's go. I just made your job easier, didn't I?
I think so. I'm just really amazing what OpenAI can do. I mean, this is the first time I heard about this.
Jackie, you no longer have to ask me or think. Obviously, you're gonna have to read it to see if it works out. But if you're like, hey, I need to make a post, you're gonna go to Open Chat AI. Pretty dang sweet. And look, I want to be able to help people. And I'm not saying that I'm AJ's always in there. Like I respond a ton of the time, but I'm just letting people know, just to be transparent, that if you have a VA that's helping you answer questions, you can use OpenAI. If you need help answering questions on your wholesale deals and stuff like that, use it. It's free. And again, the implementation is what is valuable. The secrets, the sauce, learning how to do this stuff, it's everywhere. YouTube, Google, now OpenAI. You can find the knowledge everywhere. Reach out to me if you need a mentor, if you need a mentorship, a club that can help you implement information. If it says, hey, how do I find a cash buyer? And it says, go to a title company, and you still don't know what that looks like, or you're not sure the best way to do it, ask me. Knowledge is extremely important, but implementation is what gets you paid. You can read 1,000 books. You can know all the information, just like this AI knows everything. But if you do not know how to implement it, use it, practice it, role play it, it's not going to serve you anything. My goal is to help you practice, to show you how things are done. So I'm super stoked for everyone that's learning new things and wants to get better in life, whether that's in real estate. I mean, if you want to learn how to do anything, it looks like OpenAI can help you. But anyway, that's pretty much all I got to say. I'm pumped for the AI coming out to help people succeed.